In today's digital age, social media has become an integral part of our lives. From connecting with friends and family to discovering new products and services, social media platforms have transformed the way we interact and make purchasing decisions. For businesses, harnessing the power of social media is essential for success in a highly competitive market. However, simply having a presence on these platforms is not enough. Understanding how to analyze and leverage social media data is crucial for driving conversions and skyrocketing your business growth. The problem: a sea of data. As a business owner or marketer, you may find yourself overwhelmed by the vast amount of data generated through social media platforms. Likes, shares, comments, click-through rates. All this information can be daunting without proper analysis and interpretation. Without a clear understanding of what works and what doesn't in your social media strategy, you risk wasting time and resources on ineffective tactics that fail to drive meaningful results. The solution: social media analytics. Social media analytics provides valuable insights into user behavior patterns, preferences, demographics, engagement levels, content performance metrics, essentially everything you need to optimize your marketing efforts effectively. By unlocking these secrets hidden within the data generated by your target audience's interactions with your brand on various platforms like Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram, you can gain a competitive edge in reaching potential customers. What you'll gain: actionable insights. By analyzing key metrics such as reach, the number of unique users who see your content, engagement, likes, reactions, clicks, link clicks, impressions, total views, and conversions, desired actions taken by users, you will gain actionable insights into what resonates with your audience. Targeted messaging. Armed with knowledge about which types of posts or campaigns perform best, you can tailor your messaging accordingly. This will help you create content that speaks directly to your target audience's pain points, desires, and aspirations. Improved ROI. Social media analytics allows you to track the effectiveness of your campaigns in real time. By monitoring metrics such as cost per click, CPC, cost per impression, CPM, and conversion rates, you can optimize your spending and ensure every dollar invested delivers maximum returns. How to unlock the secrets. Set clear goals. Before diving into social media analytics, define clear objectives for your business. Whether it's increasing brand awareness, driving website traffic, or boosting sales conversions, having specific goals will guide your analysis efforts and help you measure success accurately. Choose the right tools. There are numerous social media analytics tools available that can simplify data collection and analysis processes. Choose a tool that aligns with your needs, such as Google Analytics, Sprout Social, Hootsuite, and Buffer. These platforms offer robust features like tracking post performance, scheduling content, and measuring engagement levels. Track relevant metrics. Focus on metrics that align with your goals. For example, a fashion retailer might prioritize metrics like engagement rate, number of shares, and click-through rates. On the other hand, a B2B company may focus more on lead generation through metrics like form submissions or email signups. By tracking relevant metrics, you can identify trends, patterns, and opportunities for improvement. Analyze audience insights. Dive deep into demographic information provided by social media platforms. This includes age range, gender distribution, top locations, and interests. Understanding who makes up your audience will enable you to tailor content specifically for them, resulting in higher engagement levels and increased conversions. Explore content performance metrics. Analyze which types of posts perform best in terms of reach, engagement, and conversions. Experiment with different formats such as videos, guides, tutorials, polls, or infographics. Use A/B testing techniques to compare different strategies and determine what resonates most effectively with your audience. Monitor competitors. Keep a close eye on your competitors' social media activities. Analyzing their content, engagement levels, and strategies can provide valuable insights into what works in your industry. Identify gaps or opportunities that you can leverage to differentiate yourself and gain a competitive edge. Conclusion. Unlocking the secrets of social media analytics is essential for businesses looking to skyrocket their conversions by 300%. By harnessing the power of data-driven insights, you can make informed decisions about your social media strategy, optimize campaigns for maximum ROI, and create tailored content that resonates with your target audience. With clear goals in mind and the right tools at your disposal, you'll be well equipped to unlock the full potential of social media analytics and drive exceptional business growth. So don't let this opportunity slip away. Start leveraging the power of social media analytics today.